Caput succedaneum. Today we are going to study about a very common birth injury that occurs and can be seen in newborns. Caput succedaneum, by definition, is the formation of swelling due to stagnation of fluid in the layers of the skull beneath the girdle of contact. What this means is that there is accumulation of fluid just below the skull, and this occurs due to the birth process. It forms in the soft tissues over the presenting part of the skull due to pressure exerted by the bony or dilated cervix or vulval ring during labor. Due to the pressure, fluid accumulates in this tissue. The type of fluid that accumulates here is serosanguineous, that is, clear fluid mixed with blood. Coming to mechanism of formation, during labor, the fetal head comes in contact with the cervix or vulval ring. The uterine contraction puts pressure from above, while the cervix, which have not yet fully dilated, causes compression of the fetal head. Now the fetal head, which is compressed, interrupts the venous blood flow and lymphatic drainage of the skull. Thus, there is accumulation of fluid into the soft tissues of the skull, leading to edema. Now we already know that whenever the veins are blocked or whenever the lymphatics are blocked, there will always be accumulation of fluid. And this is what exactly happens in caput succedaneum. Let's briefly discuss about the characteristics of caput succedaneum. The swelling of the fetal skull is boggy in nature and it occurs all around the presenting part like a cap. The swelling crosses the suture line as you may see here. It presents at birth itself. The border of the swelling is not very well defined. Also, it does not have any pathological significance. It disappears spontaneously without any treatment within 24 hours to 48 hours after birth. Though pathologically non-significant, caput succedaneum does give us an idea of the position of the fetal head during labor, cause swelling occurs only till the area that came in contact with the vulval ring, and somewhat helps us understand that the fetal head was compressed for a long period or not.